This is the type of snow in all the movies before it gets grimy and nasty, but it is type freezing outside, so I am gonna grab this package and I'll meet y'all back inside. The hat mail has been secured, and before I open this box, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping new videos every week, and y'all already know the vibes on this channel: sneakers, streetwear, and everything in between. So hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the content. Let's go ahead and open up this box. All right, let's start with this one right here. This good old Chicago Cubs hat. Let me put the box down for a second. So this is the Hat Club Flannel Collection Chicago Cubs. And this thing is a beauty. I definitely chose correct because in hand, this is a really nice hat. So let's get into the details. Black crown, flannel visor. Let me give y'all a good look at that flannel pattern on the visor. Flannel button as well. I'm feeling the two-tone vibes. It makes this thing super wearable. Make sure y'all keep an eye on my Instagram so y'all can see what I pair up with this when I decide to break it out, because this is gonna make some great fits. Chicago Cubs bareface front logo, silver metallic threading for the ring and the background, as well as the interior of the bareface, and then white threading for the bareface itself. I like how clean that is, and surprisingly, the silver pairs really well with the flannel. Like, it doesn't feel like it's doing too much. It's doing just enough. 1990 Chicago Cubs All-Star Game side patch. There is some iridescent threading in there that's a little hard to capture on camera usually, but hopefully y'all see the vibes because that threading goes crazy in there. It's a very nice touch, definitely levels up the patch. There's some other colors in there as well: copper, red, black. Really nice side patch. Flat batterman on the back, black and white, super clean. Tonal New Era flag. Gray UV with the white guts, the white sweatband. There's also some Hat Club branding on the inside. This is one of those collections that you have to see in hand. So if you have a Hat Club near you, or you've been thinking about pulling the trigger on one of the flannel collection hats online, go ahead and do that. Next, I have the Hat Club 8-ball collection. This is the Philadelphia Phillies from that collection. Black crown, black visor, blue button on top. So not completely monochrome. We got a little bit of color with that blue button, as well as the kind of cream colored Phillies front logo. It's like a lightly golden tan, nothing too flashy. I think it's nice. Phillies All-Star Game 1996 Liberty Bell side patch. As I said in a previous video, this is one of my favorite side patches, and there are a few different colors in there. So we have gold, red, blue. There's a little bit of white in there to kind of break things up. There's also more of that lightly tan color on the outline, like the front logo. I'm really digging the color placement and the red, white, and blue stars. That's definitely a nice touch. All that gold in there, very nice. But of course, it is called the 8-ball collection, and Hat Club actually went ahead and put pool balls on the back of the hat. I wasn't sure what to expect with these embellishments, but they are felt materials. So if you've ever felt a pool table, it's kind of like that material, which I think is pretty cool. There's black, orange, and red, which kind of add some nice accent colors to a otherwise mostly black hat, which I'm definitely not mad at. Y'all know I like my colors. Y'all can also see the batterman back there. Kelly green UV, very nice touch. White guts, aka white sweatband. There's also Hat Club branding on the inside of this hat. I have been at the point in my collection where I'm really only adding hats in that are different, that are unlike things I already have. And these two are definitely, I can say I don't have anything like these. I don't have any hats with flannel on them, that's for sure. So this is a first, and very, very good. I think people might be sleeping on these a little bit. And the 8-ball collection, I definitely don't have any hats with pool balls on the back. So yeah, this one's gonna be a head turner. I already know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about this one right here, and I love that. By the time you're watching this video, January is basically over, so sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you've been picking up for the month of January. What hats did you add to your collection? And also, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, show us more YouTubers some love. I really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow, and I will see y'all in the next one.